Hello. Do you struggle to make perfect straight zip like this, especially when you are fixing it on a pant or side of a garment and then it turns out to wobble just like this? In this video, we'll be talking about how to make perfectly straight zip without the wobbling, even if you are sewing a stretchy fabric. In this tutorial, I'm working with this fabric with a little bit of stretch. It's crepe, but it's a little stretchy on the length side. What we do the trick for us is this interfacing called paper stay. Some people call it gum stay. It will help us to keep the stretch in place and allow us work on it without the wobbling or stretch. So here I am just placing the paper stay on the sole line, just on the sole line, and then interfacing it with an iron before taking it to the sewing machine. By the way, my name is Sarah and this is Princess Fashion. The focus of this channel is providing how-to videos, tricks and hacks on how to simplify the art of sewing and also time-tested tips for fashion business. Now we are back to the sewing machine after interfacing the paper stay on this crepe fabric. There are two things you have to keep in mind at this point. One, you have to use a zipper foot to fix this zip. Don't try using a regular foot for fixing zip. That will stress you out and cause wobbling on the fabric. And secondly, you are working on the zip, not on the fabric. So you have to concentrate your effort on adjusting the zip on the fabric, working on the zip, not dragging the fabric underneath it, because that will also result in wobbling. Feel free to suggest any sewing tutorial you'd like me to create a video on. I will be happy to bring your ideas to life. Do like, comment, and share this video so that more people can also benefit from this video. And there we have it, our beautiful, well-fixed zip on the side of a trouser. At this point, don't forget to remove the paper stay we used in keeping the fabric in place. It's just to keep the fabric in place. It serves no other purpose apart from that. So it has to be removed so as to have a good finishing on the wrong side of your garment. You don't want customers seeing a white stuff on the wrong side of your garment. So here I am removing the paper stay. Don't worry about the gum residue on the wrong side. Ironing will remove it as much as possible. At least it will no longer be visible. And after this, I'll take it to the ironing table to remove the residue and then finish off the zip off camera. If you want to see how I did all this, you should see the full video on how I made this pants from start to finish in the description box. I hope you have benefited from this video. Click the subscribe button if you like to keep getting tutorials like this that will help you with your sewing skills. And until I come your way next time, my name is Sarah. Bye.